Now I'll put the controller in your right hand and your left hand. So I think this is the right. This is the left one and your left hand. So visualization thing. So this is basically the other form of 3D printing. So now we click the Let's Get Started button. So to get started, and next up we choose the model that we want to use. So for you, we would like to choose the advanced one on the right side. Please give the button a click. Alright, then now we look at the table. There's a row of functions on the table. So we start with the leftmost button. Give it a nice click, the leftmost button. So this is LCD panel testing button. So it prompts you to, before you start your 3D printing, you have to test the LCD panel of the printer. So give it a nice click. So now it automatically removes the platform and like it does the thing itself, and it flashes the LCD screen to make sure it's working and function. So now we can proceed to the next function on the function row. So this step is the calibration. So before printing, it prompts you to calibrate the z-axis. So OK, press. Now it returns the platform and remove the vat. This thing is called the vat, which is the container for the resin. Now it puts A4 paper onto the LCD panel and it puts down the z-axis to calibrate the height. So now it removes the white paper and put back the container. So we're done with this step, so we can proceed to the next one. So the next step is the pouring resin into the vat, which is the container. So you can see the resin on the right hand side. Before pouring, we slightly shake the resin. Next, we pour the resin into the vat. Okay, after pouring the resin, we use the something kind of like a spatula. So just gently stir the resin. So now we're finished with stirring the resin. We can proceed to the next step. Let's give the next function a press. This function is file preparation. So you can look at the left side. There's a USB stick with containing the file. So we put the USB stick into the machine. So basically that's just animation. So like you can proceed to the next step. You can press on start printing. Yes. So this nope. If you press it, something would happen. Yeah, so now you see the door flashing. This is just for demonstration purpose only. So we hide the door so we can see the internal better. So now the animation you just saw is showing the printer doing the printing action. So we can proceed to the next step. The next step is monitor and adjust. So while printing, there are two main kind of failure that can happen. So first press OK. So you can look at the top. There are two main failure. One is broken support. One is unfinished model. So we can watch the broken support in action. So you can see on the right side of the model, the support is poking out onto it, poking out onto the right side. So the support is broken and the right side of the model is gone. Okay. So next we can press on the unfinished model. Now we're demonstrating the unfinished model. You can see at the very bottom of the model, there's a flat cut, so that part is missing. This is a very common occurring mistake that can happen with this kind of 3D. So now we can proceed to the next function, which is so now this step is finishing the 3D printing. So as you can see, the model and the support is a little bit flashy with its surface. So now this is the model that just came out of the resin bath. So the surface is slightly dirty, and so we have to clean the model. So with the washing function. Yes. So now you can look at the ultrasonic machine that washes the model. So let's put it in and slap on the lid. So the machine will shake. Like, like ultrasonic machine, kinda. Okay, so after washing, you can see on the surface of the model, it is clean now without the dirty residue. Now we can proceed to the next step, which is post-curing. So after washing off the residue, we put the model into the post-curing machine. If you like to, you can like move. Don't physically move. Yeah.
I just bored.
Yeah. But you can teleport around and look at the machine, the internal of the machine. So inside the machine, you can see the red.
Can I not like walk?
Nope. Like
I'm only teleported.
Yeah, like inside VR, only teleporting would work.
Really?
I mean, like we actually tried the function for walking, but
I have no
like
idea how to get back there.
No. You can give me your right hand. Yes. I'll move you right back there. Okay. Please do not be afraid. Do not panic. Okay. Turn to your left side. Yes. Okay. Now look at the floor. Okay. I'll teleport you right back. Okay. Look at it right back. So now you can see the model inside. The red light inside the post-curing machine is UV light. So the UV light cures off the residue of the resin, which has not been like washed off on the previous step. Now we can click the very last step. Maybe you want to teleport over there.
How do I do it?
Push the right thumbstick.
Going to attend this experiment. Okay.
Push the right thumbstick and release it. So you push it forward. Yeah. Okay. So kind of
Later we are going to
feel
attend
how
to experiment, and in the first column
give it a press. Now you see the machine is removed from the post-curing machine. You can teleport over there.
2 pages
right in front of the machine. Now you can use your
fill
right
out
hand,
basic
right
information.
hand,
If you
your
have
right hand
any
over the model
problem of
and
translation, you
press
can
your
ask
middle
me.
finger,
Only this?
the button. Your
Yeah.
middle.
Yes.
Yes.
This and
Now
later
you can see that
when
you
you
can
finish
grab the model and see
experiment,
take a
you
look at the
we
finished
appreciate
model.
and you can help us to fill out these forms.
Okay.
And later I will help
So-
you to translate all of the questions.